Like a dragonfly, this house sits lightly on the land and disappears into the landscape. It quietly emerges from the forest and overlooks the lake below, much like a dragonfly would. Designed by Olsen Kundig architects, the goal here was to create a place where a young family could gather, away from the city, to enjoy nature and build a legacy of memories. Located on the ecotone, or border, between a Ponderosa pine forest and a lake, the Dragonfly House serves as a framework for the family to experience nature. The house emphasizes the crossing point between these two ecological zones, a distinct yet subtle marker of the family's presence and legacy. The home's materiality helps it blend into the landscape. The exterior siding of reclaimed barnwood gradually turns gray over time due to weather conditions, further integrating the home into the forest. The wood continues inside, in the entryway and kitchen. The transparency allows for views through the house to the lake in the distance. When the windows are open, the effect is of a single block floating above the forest floor. The heart of the home, both in layout and function, is the open-plan living and dining area, with double-height ceilings and large guillotine windows on both sides. They are operated by a hand-cranked wheel system that allows the windows to open and close smoothly. The design transforms the house from a protected retreat to a more open and exposed structure, depending on the season and the family's needs. The manual operation of these windows, which involves turning a large wheel, is a signature feature of many Olsen Kundig projects, blending mechanical ingenuity with aesthetic simplicity. This adds a tactile, interactive element to the house, giving the family control over their environment while maintaining the house's minimalist, nature-focused design. The site has been a long-time vacation spot for the family, who camped there before building the house. It was designed to preserve the sense of natural discovery the family enjoyed when spending time there. Native vegetation grows up to the edges of the house, and a screened porch on the southern end opens to a covered terrace. These varying levels of enclosure allow the family to connect with nature throughout all seasons. The master bedroom is on the upper level, nestled among the tree canopies with glass on 3 sides, providing unobstructed views of the lake. The Dragonfly House can adapt to the climate. It was designed to be used during all 4 seasons. The house transitions from a protected refuge to a semi-open condition, and then to an exposed space overlooking the lake.